ఎప్పుడు యాక్షన్ సీన్లో కనిపించిన అక్షయ్ కుమార్ ఈరోజు యాక్షన్లో కాదు కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ కామెడీలో కనిపిస్తున్నారు. Akshay, welcome back to Hyderabad again. Seeing you so many times here. So tell me the one funniest thing about Jolly LLB. How serious it is or how comedian?
Okay, let me make it very simple. Let's do the maths of it. I think 35% of Jolly LLB is funny and entertaining, and बचे कितने 65
How good are you in maths?
Very bad.
65 is serious film. So that is the nichode of this film.
Actually, we have seen that you're designing it very beautifully with different genres, doing different things. So is it a plan ahead that I should do more matured roles or some kind of plan in mind that at this time this will click?
No, it's not like that. It's something which I believe in, it's something which I want to talk about, and something which attracts me. Like I never played a lawyer's role, so that attracted me. I like the whole script. I like the fact it is based on real cases. So I just did it.
Okay. So Akshay, real cases. So any case or any kind of thing that you have seen and you felt, yes, people keep suffering so much on this.
So that is what it is. There are 2-3 cases in this film.
Okay.
Yeah.
And tell me, Uma,
I
your
can't talk
experience.
about it.
Yeah.
Yes. So tell me, Uma, Akshay, like last time also I had interviewed him with lot of heroines. They praise him. They tell he plays lot of pranks. He's a funny guy. He's a smart guy. What is your take on Akshay Kumar?
सब सच बोल रही हैं. They all are telling the truth, and I think he knows that he's everybody's favorite, because it's so difficult not to like him or love working with him. He's just, of course, apart from the fact that he does amazing films, he's just this amazing person to work with, and his energy is just infectious. You just अपना phone बचा के रखना पड़ता है, because otherwise he'll just take your phone and start messaging people saying I want to marry you or something. So they have to call them and say no, it's not true. I don't want to marry you.
आपने कुछ क्या कर दिया उनके साथ?
मुझे नहीं पता, आप इनसे ही पूछिए.
2-3 हीरोज को मैसेज कर दिया, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगी, कि I want to marry you, I love you. So I had to call and say no, it's not true. So it complicated things.
इतनी अच्छी चीजें आप.
हाँ.
इतनी अच्छी चीजें क्यों करते हैं?
You know, and nobody else does it. He's the only one, and it's so endearing. It's really endearing.
क्यों करते हैं इतनी अच्छी चीजें?
Well, it's fun. I mean, से क्या है, मज़ा आ रहा है, it's मस्ती होती है, और क्या थोड़ी बहुत some kind of मतलब मज़ा आता है, और क्या है, it's funny. I mean, she laughs, I laugh, you are laughing, and people who are going to watch it, they're going to laugh, but just don't prolong it. Quickly say I did it and finish it off, because कहीं ज़्यादा ना हो जाए, पता चले मैसेज भेजा I love you and I want to marry you, and that guy says चलो हो गया काम, माँ एक बहू से मिलोगे, मैं मिलाऊंगा, कल लेके आता हूँ उसे. चलिए.
On this note, because he's such a lovely guy, मूवी से अक्षय के लिए कौन सा गाना आप डेडिकेट करना चाहोगे? मूवी से
Baab Raman. I don't know the
बाबरा मन राहता के तरसे रे, नैनई मल्हार बन के बरसे रे, हादसे
अधूरे से बिन तेरे हम फीका लगे हैं मुझको सारा जहां.
अक्षय, हम कभी भी आपसे बात करते हैं तो हमने एक बात देखी है कि आप बहुत छोटे छोटे हो जा रहे हो, मतलब और फिट हो रहे हो, और फिट हो रहे हो, और कहाँ तक लेके जा रहे हो? इतने मतलब साइज़ में छोटे हो रहे हो आप, और टोन्ड हो जा रहे हो, तो फिटनेस का राज मतलब कहाँ तक लेके जाओगे? और फिटनेस
वेल छोटा हो रहा हूँ. मतलब ये तो मतलब ऐसा लगा मेरी बेइज्जती हो गई, आप जो छोटे हो गए, ऐसे ऐसे आप सुखड़ गए.
कुछ लेते क्यों नहीं?
So
साइज़ में बताया.
Okay, so yeah, I just keep myself fit and that's it, and I just tend to keep my body athletically perfect, and because it's very difficult to have an athletic body. So that's what it is. I don't believe in huge muscles and things. I just believe in athletic body.
Flexibility?
Yeah, flexibility, yoga है, थोड़ी बहुत meditation है, तो बस ये करते रहते हैं. Well, this film is first of all I'm playing Vakil for the first time, and I got this opportunity to play. And it's about real cases, and it's about Indian judiciary and what happens, how it happens, and the people should come and watch the film for dialogues. It's a lovely, lovely dialogue written by my director himself, Subhash Kapoor ji, and you have to come and watch this girl because कई लोग इंस्पायर होंगे इनसे कि अगर हस्बैंड मिलना चाहिए तो मेरे जैसा मिलना चाहिए. तो जो इन्होंने ढूंढा, जो इनके लिए सेवा करता है, इनके लिए कपड़े धोता है, खाना बनाता है, इनको ड्रिंक बना के देता है, और रात को सोते वक्त इनके पैर दबाता है, और काम करके काम करके पैसे भी लेके आता है. कोई है तो बताओ. मतलब
ये सब क्वालिटीज
नहीं, ये आपको ढूंढना है.
Thank you. It was nice talking to you, Akshay. Yeah, thank you, Ma.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. So చూసారు కదా, and the happy mood లో ఉన్నారు అక్షయ్ అండ్ హుమా ఖురేషి. కెమెరా పర్సన్ వెంకట్ తో తరుణ,
Akshay Kumar,
Huma Qureshi,
TV9
TV9
హైదరాబాద్.
Hyderabad.